that
And it's
loads
a new
in.
profile, right?
Yes.
Cool.
Yes.
While that loads in, let me ask you two a question.
Sure.
Have you ever heard of a game called Project Zomboid?
I have.
Okay.
I have seen some people play it, and it is an endless stream of just ridiculous.
It's a lot of fun. And I vote once we are done with spirits. If
Alright, it's open.
What am I
if
looking at?
everybody is down, we should definitely give it a try.
Yeah, I'm down. I'll win games.
Dear Mia,
Oh god, it's so loud.
I know I should be there with you, but if there is a chance, the Omalu promised that they would help you. I just need to find the Yapawaka. I'm not in any danger. You know they are friendly.
Alrighty,
I just
I'm
need to
clicking
gain
the
their
join-
trust,
Or wait, no, I don't
like
see a
you
join
did.
button.
Don't worry. I'll
I'm in a
fix this.
cutscene.
Just wait for
Just
me.
Start Spirits of Amazoni on my own.
Eh,
And Mia,
No, you should just be able to
imagine
join
how
the
we
server.
could change the world.
you might want to wait until you're after the cutscene or something, because I don't see it.
Yeah, probably.
Huh? Is that? Oh! Oyohua! Nocturne!
Pedro, no! I'm so excited.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I still don't see a join option.
It's not responding. Give it a second.
Oh, it likes to do that, yeah.
Alright. It is open, friends only.
Welcome to the jungle.
Take that. I'm gonna take that. Take that. I'm gonna take that.
Panda, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Am I the only one who wants to play this game like it's Rising Storm?
I can see the appeal, but
Just a little bit? Just a little bit.
Yeah.
I want some punji steaks. I want some napalm.
This
Have a
is
good
not.
time.
This is not the game for napalm. That's the forest.
Hey, now. There is
That's
no
the
such thing as a
forest.
game that doesn't need napalm.
This is not the game for napalm. That's the forest. This is Green
I
Hill.
cannot
There's a
think of-
difference.
I feel
I
like
cannot-
Firewatch doesn't need napalm.
I cannot think of a single game that does not get infinitely more
Hey,
fun once you add napalm.
Hey guys. Look,
What's up?
the coconut stuck in the tree.
Oh my god. Did you throw a rock at it and it fell like that?
I mean, if Washi doesn't stop hitting me, I won't give her any rocks.
I'm just punching.
Yeah,
I gotta
that's
get my punch strength back up. Also, I don't need your rocks. I'll get my own rocks.
Does punching the wall do that?
God, I want to jump off this.
Jump off. Do it.
I mean, we're fresh. What's the matter?
I am not
What?
dead.
You survived. What the fuck? Oh, Chris, are you joining?
Bitch. Probably not very. Oh my God! Only one of my left ruined.
Yeah, where is Chris? Oh wait, did he say he'd be back?
Oh my God! I think he went to the bathroom.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Well, now you think I bandage before I bleed out.
Oh, rest in peace. I have bandages.
Throw one down. Throw.
No, I don't think I will.
You're the one who told me to go for it.
You were the one dumb enough to listen to me.
So what's the premise? Why are we back?
This is before what we just did.
Oh, okay. Oh, this was the prequel. when we
Yeah.
first
Come here,
went-
Washi.
Rock. I found a rock. I'm good.
Washi. Here.
I am going to actually take this and go put some lily I found over here on it. If I can find where the lily
Oh,
went
there's a
again.
legend. Theron, did you go look at it? Read it?
Yeah, dirty water.
Shit, where'd it go? Shit. Here.
Does that count for everybody?
Yes, yes it does. I need a stick. Also, feel free to come down.
I love so fucking
Yeah,
much
just
that
like
that
the
worked. That just made my day.
I'm gonna shake my head at you, Washi.
That was good and you know it.
I'm just gonna shake my head at you. That's all I'm saying. I'm shaking my head at you.
Oh god.
I got some.
Okay,
red
now that I
flour.
am bandaged, I'm actually gonna go to the bathroom real quick too. Oh, that was great.
I'm gonna try and get on this damn boat.
Where are you?
Supplies. I went down.
Well, I'm down as well. Is there more down?
No, I went into the water and into the boat.
Poor Pedro. Hello? And it's broken.
Washi off in the distance.
At least they know I'm here.
Well, go into the water.
I can get my crafting back up again.
Yeah, everything is reset. This is a brand new. It's okay, you'll be fine. Lord, we're learning everything all over again. Yay.
My blog. That's a pickaxe. Don't want that.
I have returned.
Welcome back. The server is up.
I see. I am joining.
Theron, there you are.
Hi. There we go. Proper axe. I got logs and big sticks over here.
Yeah, we're gonna need some. We're gonna need a lot, actually. It's fine.
Where are we setting up camp?
I'm setting up camp over here. You go check out the boat.
Okay, I'm back.
I
Oh.
see. Alright, well,
Oh
I'm
god, I'm gonna need to take some time.
No way, I can shoot my
later.
logs.
Alright,
How?
where did y'all go?
I'm setting up camp by the boat.
You
Oh,
say that like that's a
it's-
direction.
Washi, you've played this. You should know where the boat is.
I don't know where. I can't tell where things are in real life, much less this.
I feel like they wanted there to be more here with this survival guide.
Oh no, I like to see how big the number of unread entries can get.
Oh my god, watching. Wait, are we? What? There was a corpse? What?
Shit.
His name was Pedro. He was our friend.
Oh. Was that what I was supposed to find in there? A corpse or something?
Yes.
Wait, you're saying there's a body I can eat already?
I see no corpse.
There's
Pedro,
a
where
ritual.
you at? I
You
was
see
told there
corpse?
would be a body I could eat. Where the fuck is this body?
We need palm leaves.
Oh, here's the body. Why do I have to do all this stuff to eat this guy?
You're not eating him. He's not the one we eat.
Why not?
Because he's
flesh,
not a
isn't
bad
he?
guy. He's not a bad guy.
Oh,
We only eat bad guys.
dead body is a dead body. Dead.
Not according to this, apparently.
Oh. Now we need planks? Oh my god.
Why am I lagging so badly? Yeah, I know. Like, how hard is it to set a body on fire? Oh, hey, the pokey trees that for some reason wearing my axe can't cut without hurting me.
What?
Yeah.
What tree is this? I could...
Yeah. There we go. Look here. Give this a whack. Give this a...
What? How is that? What?
See, it's all thorny. So, yeah, it's fine. Just hit it with your axe. Axe can't feel pain, right?
Venom wound? What?
Oh, it gives venom? I forgot that. That's even better. That's...
I have venom times 2.
Find a plantain, Lily. Why are you destroying the food?
That's food, my bad.
Buddy, you've been destroying the food all this time.
Wait, what does this unknown bulb do?
That's food.
Oh, it's food? I didn't know that.
I'm here now.
Y'all find some coconuts. Be productive members of society and find us some damn coconuts.
Hey, we're in the middle of the Amazon. I think we're a little ways away from society right now.
Big old anthill over here.
I am saying that this tribe of 4 people here is society, and we need to get our shit together.
Hey, you always need a jester.
I don't want one.
Interesting.
I don't want one.
Where the fuck?
Oh, God.
Find some damn coconuts. God damn.
Are you dead yet?
No, I'm still alive. I mean, I've only got 2 stacks of venom.
Theron, you need to find either a tobacco plant or a plantain lily.
Wait, I have a lily flower, like a normal, or by plantain lily, do you mean a water lily?
No, a plantain lily. The thing that you have, he needs the leaves.
Oh, no, I
Okay,
use
I'm
the
good.
leaves for a bandage.
I found that and ate it, and I'm good.
Okay.
We're off to a beautiful start.
I'm off to a great start. I don't know about y'all.
I managed to convince Theron to poison himself. I jumped off a cliff and broke only one of my legs, disappointingly.
David. Can't fucking do anything.
I can't leave you guys for 5 minutes.
Hey, now, in fairness, Theron probably should have known better than to do something I told him to do.
Oh, there's a stingray.
Ooh, give it a kiss!
I will, actually.
Theron, please.
I got one.
They're friends! Now just put it in your mouth.
How many planks do you need?
4.
4?
Alright, I'm making one.
Yeah, I
that's
dropped
right.
2
That's what we're
logs
supposed
here.
to be doing right now.
I got distracted making Theron make bad life choices.
I'm about to feed y'all to the damn crocodile. Where did Chris go?
I'm out hunting for coconuts.
Away from our bullshitter.
Thank you, Chris.
Try hard.
He's the only one over here trying to keep your host happy, so just saying.
I just don't know what to expect. Oh, hush.
I think this is
whiny
what they call in the business content.
God.
We
I'm
still
putting
need
I hope you know
likes.
that I am putting this on YouTube.
Let's go.
So all of your shenanigans.
See, I'm helping.
Are you?
I'm
Log stick.
totally helping.
Found the village.
Hey, that's great.
Alright, I got 2 planks. Cool. Oh my god, we need more leaves! Why?
Banana leaves?
Yes!
Here, I'll toss
we
them
can't
over
just
to you.
Set this dude on fire!
There's ones on the ground right next to him.
Oh, we need more!
It's okay. I'm throwing them at you. Just calm
Oh
down.
my god.
Ugh.
Calm down.
This is the pickiest body burning I have ever experienced.
God.
Alright, I got the fire. No, wait, what? Fuck. Oh, no, wait, I don't have dry leaves yet.
What takes care of a rash again?
I'm not sure.
Okay,
Did you
I'll
run
wait.
into ants and get a rash?
I did.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
You're welcome. Although, actually, I didn't do anything for that, though.
I'm out here trying my best, getting rashes.
I'm trying to keep us alive.
Yeah, why am I lagging so much?
I'm
Alright,
lagging a
logs.
little bit too, but
Gotcha.
it's
I'm
okay.
lagging a ton.
Nope, that's the poison tree.
Theron, have you learned your lesson?
Yes.
Hey, I got another achievement.
Nice. Ah, shit, I need rocks. Where the fuck are rocks? Ooh, long stick. Ah, it's just... Okay, what do you do with animal poop?
You
You
fertilize.
eat it.
You fertilize your farm plots.
Gotcha.
One way to do it.
Or
I like the indirect. You eat it, and then you poop the fertilizer out. It's like a double fertilizer.
Uh-huh.
or if somebody
many leaves
deserves it,
try
you throw it at them.
Hey, I'm the farmer here.
Theron, here's a bird nest.
Oh, okay. Do you want me to start the fire here, or do you want me to
No,
bring
go light
Humbo's
his body on fire. We don't need fire right now. I am just preparing us for...
Right. Oh yeah, I'm starting it in the water. Let's go.
Playing on hard mode, man.
Ha! Dead bird.
Uh,
Harvest.
Did anybody else hear that?
No. What did you hear?
Okay. Wah!
Oh, that's an achievement type thing. Like you're doing something towards earning trust from the village.
Oh, that kind of noise. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I thought it's just there and
On
I'll
fire.
hear you right now. Is the where telling you to kill things and or set things on fire?
No.
And I mean, why do the villagers trust us now? Because we burned Pedro. They don't fucking know who Pedro is.
We followed their ritual, okay?
Why did we follow their ritual for Pedro? Does Pedro believe in their rituals?
Apparently he does. I don't know.
What if Pedro
You're
was
asking
actually
a lot of
entirely-
questions I don't have answers to.
Exactly.
I have successfully brought back a rock.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
I have yet to find a
Wow.
coconut.
Isk.
I'm sorry.
Hey, I have
went
2
on an
Brazil
adventure.
nuts.
No,
It just
it's...
mirrored as this unknown
Oh,
bulb
yeah, wait,
also
I need
looks
a
kind of
rock.
like a dick.
It's a big rock, so that's ant hive.
Did you know you can use the ants to stitch wounds?
Yep.
I found a mouse.
Eat it. Absorb its essence. Yes.
This mouse is for you.
Where?
Directly in front of me.
Well, where the... Oh, here. Oh, it makes me harvest it before I can eat it. Fucking cowards. Fine, waste not, want not.
Chris, come with me.
Hi. Okay.
Alright, I ate it. Wasn't that bad. Just minus a bit of sanity.
Hey, my rash went away.
Good.
Oh, I got drugs.
You got drugs?
You
Yeah.
found ayahuasca?
Yep. Do we need big stones?
Probably.
Okay.
I'm assuming take these palm leaves.
No, we don't need those. Come on, come with me.
Oh, okay.
I think I know where there's some palm, or there's some coconuts. Don't go in there, by the way.
Into the cave?
Yeah, don't go in there right now. There's a thing we need to do that we don't have the stuff for yet. Okay. Well, just bring Nugget down here. And she'll stop. She won't scream. I might scream, though.
I scream, you scream, we all scream.
Oh, tame toad.
This is where I started.
Yeah. Hi, Nugget.
Alright, so which way are we going?
I let you guys set up base camp. I'm getting coconuts.
Oh, okay. What do you want as a base camp?
Well, I've already got it started.
Oh yeah, then do you want me to cut down this tree, this, like, palm thing in the way?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
If you cut all of it off, like including its, Riley, where'd you go? Come here. You stay here. Sit. Riley, sit.
Cut down.
Riley,
Don't cut down Riley.
sit. I will buzz you. Come here.
No.
Buzz?
She has a buzz collar for when she's being disobedient.
Oh,
It
like
goes
a
buzz.
shock collar, okay.
Minus the shock, yeah.
Wait, what does it do if not shock? What do you mean buzz?
It vibrates.
I was gonna say, it probably has like one of those PS2 vibrators in it.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a vibration collar. It doesn't hurt her.
Huh. What?
Alright, I think we
Huh.
have all the coconuts.
Like, I could see that would have maybe, like, confused my dogs.
Yeah, well.
Huh.
Oh, right.
Does
Ration.
that actually seem to work for her?
Yeah, she pays attention and she listens.
Huh.
Ration?
Yeah. Food ration. We'll find these.
Oh.
Stupid piece of shit.
I have axe. Will that, or stone blade, will that work on this?
Yeah, go ahead and cut it down. This is tobacco.
There we go. Got it.
Awesome. And then there's some plantain lilies right here.
Got it.
Sweet. You got all the leaves too.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. Alright, let's go
Everything
back.
just kind of auto went into my inventory, so.
That's fine. Hey, Theron. Don't
Hello.
go into this cave. We don't have the resources to make this cave happen.
Oh, okay. There's a big rock right here. Somebody wants to pick it up. I already have my hands full.
Oh, okay.
And then there's another one right here.
There's also another one up here.
Hey, Chris. I'm gonna carry that one as well. Just drop it. Where's the other one?
Right here.
Okay.
guess I'll go grab the coconuts that you knocked down.
Oh, I already grabbed them. They're in my inventory.
Oh, okay.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, hey. There's a fruit here. Grab
See.
these. What happened, Washi?
Hold up.
Did the dudes find us already?
No, worse.
Came an
Kitty?
attack?
Worse.
Kitty?
Way worse.
You pooped yourself to death?
Infinitely worse.
What are
What'd
you
you
going
do?
on
You
about?
have a
Centipede.
stable amount of sanity.
A centipede showed up.
I don't think that's worse.
It's way worse, trust me.
Does anybody have any of those mushrooms that get rid of parasites?
No,
I
but there
might-
should be a big tree that has
I
some...
have one.
Okay.
Yeah, I have that and some other stuff. Actually, even better, eat this. You need
Oh,
more?
okay. No, I'm good. Thank you.
Alright. I'm going to try and start a fire.
Err.
Yeah, my leaves haven't dried out yet. Need another 4 minutes.
Okay. I also do not have dried leaves yet. So I'm just going to make some bandages. Get my bandage pile going.
I will say that I do have to get leaving in about 30-ish minutes.
Okay.
You have to what?
I have to go in 30 minutes.
Oh, okay.
That's fine. We can make progress at camp and stuff here. And then hop out for the night.
Yeah.
Is that banana leaf or palm leaf? Palm. Okay. Sorry. Yeah.
Has anyone found any more dead birds?
I have a toucan.
May I have it,
No.
please? Thank you.
His name was Josh.
Josh is gonna turn into a bunch of nice arrows for me.
Oh, I have a bunch of feathers.
Josh is gonna fly again.
Do you want feathers, Eleni?
I want feathers, yes. Give me the feathers.
Who is Josh and why is he flying?
There you go. Here's 7 feathers.
Sweet.
Is this a Free Willy scenario?
Oh, hey, what does this flower do?
What flower?
I just dropped it on the ground.
I don't know. Can you eat it?
No.
You can eat anything if you're brave
I don't
enough.
know.
Let me see if it'll combine with the bandage. It will not combine with the bandage.
Maybe it's something we need to put in a coconut bowl or something.
Yeah. Well, it's about to decay in 15 seconds, so.
Oh well.
Quickly, shove it in your mouth. It can't decay if you've eaten it.
Oh, the unknown flowers, I think they might be useless. It wouldn't let me eat it otherwise. I absolutely would have just now, but...
Alright, why can't I fill this thing up from the water?
Does it already have water?
I couldn't fill up the coconut bowl.
Oh yeah, no, it's not gonna let you fill up a coconut bowl.
In order to fill them up, you just have to drop it in.
Yeah.
Yeah, it did that.
Hey, I got a leech on me. How do I know? Because I have a new notebook entry.
Eat it.
Mhm. We should go ahead and make beds.
We have tons of palm leaves. I
Yeah.
don't know if it's palm leaf beds or whatever.
Palm and banana leaf beds basically are what we need right now.
Gotcha.
Banana leaf bed. Okay, I'll let you set up.
Maybe that wasn't the greatest plan.
What did you do?
Don't worry about it.
Washi?
Don't worry about it.
Washi, what did you do?
I
Famous
have
last
some
words, don't
food
worry
that I'm
about
gonna
it.
bring back, by the way.
Washi, what did you do?
I might have killed a caiman.
Ma'am!
Nicely done. What's wrong with killing
Like-
Cayman?
Thanks, but also ma'am.
It only bit me once, okay?
We don't even have armor yet.
I mean, you don't need armor if you throw things at it.
Ah, yes. The
Oh,
the preferred
no.
way of dealing
Now
with
I
things.
have
Throw rocks at it
fever.
until it dies.
Washi.
Oh my goodness.
Come here, I have painkillers.
I'm trying to drop weight.
There
Okay,
she goes.
I'm coming.
Madam.
Oh boy, I have fever. So could be infected.
I have tobacco
I'm,
dressings, and I think
I'll take
Chris
it.
has.
I'm gonna need. It's infected, so I'm probably gonna need maggots.
Oh, I got you. I got you.
I have everything that is needed to take care of.
Someone should probably get that fire going too.
Well, we know none of us have anything dried.
Oh no,
I
I
I
have
do.
dry leaves.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
I have dry leaves.
Okay, get it
Oh
going.
yeah, that now wound looks good.
Never
I
mind,
need
Washi. I
a
lied. I don't
fire
got you.
starter. Or hand drill.
Chris, here.
Thick or small. What?
Alright, step one, I'm gonna go wash and see if that
Oh.
does anything. Step two, I'm gonna go start looking for something to get rid of infection.
I'm too tired to start a fire.
Take a nap.
Yep.
Alright, hang on. Let me get a fire going.
Alright, what sort of foods do I have? That's... Eat that.
Dry leaves, dry leaves. Not the tobacco leaves, the dry leaves.
Eat.
Go, fire starting. And ignite.
Oh wait, I have maggots. Cool.
Okay.
Cool. Maggots are doing what they do. Oh, tobacco. Cool. Lily, where's Lily? Anybody have anything that can be drinking?
Huh?
I'm gonna drink that.
Hey, that unknown bulb was 60 carbs and 5 energy.
Ooh.
Eat this meat.
Holy sh!
Why can't I put... There we go. Forget meat, I need water.
I'm working on it.
Let's see, I've got...
I'm working on it.
Get some of
Washi,
this
don't die.
stuff. You got a minute.
Do you have a fever?
Oh, I do have
Yes.
maggots. Damn.
Here.
Cool.
Eat these.
The infection
these.
is finished.
On
Hang
the
Let
floor.
me bandage. Alright, bandaged. What am I eating?
On the
Painkiller.
floor.
What the fuck? Where did you get painkiller?
Don't ask questions.
Did you cheat?
No?
I don't trust that. No.
Listen, while
That
you
sounded
guys
like a very convincing no.
were derping around, I was playing the game.
Yeah, I think that half of the point of this game is derping around. Thank you very much.
I'm just saying, I was the one that found the painkillers, not you. And look, they came in handy.
They came in handy.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah,
Chris
prove
gets it.
That's better than what I was gonna go with.
Chris gets it. Is that bowl giving you trouble? If you put it back down, I have some things to put in it.
I think Washi took it.
Put that
Okay,
bowl
I'm gonna
back.
go fill it up.
I
Yeah,
have a
took it to
bead
go fill
on.
it up. Oh, you have a bead on?
Yes.
Jesus,
I've been
we're all
playing the
fucking
game.
fancy.
I've been playing the game.
Excuse me, Your
Two of
Majesty.
us. We've been playing the game as well.
But
Oh, needed to give me any sort of resource other than water. I'm full up on everything, but I'm desperately low on water.
I'm not helping you anymore.
I just put stingray meat into that when you drank it.
Oh, let's eat some of the caiman on top. Cool, I think my wound is finally fixed, quote, quote.
I'm sleeping
Oh,
on the boat
God.
because there's a mattress on the boat.
That's
there's a
fair.
mattress there?
There is a mattress on the boat.
Oh, cool.
You wouldn't happen to have a cocoa of the nut, would you?
I don't have any coconuts to spare at the moment, but I do have a heart of the palm and that ration that we found.
Okay, because I need water.
I can go fill up water real quick.
Yeah, if you could get that boiling. I'm getting some that I can bring.
There's some boiling. Hey, Chris, where are you? Come
I
here.
am right in front of the fire.
Come here. Eat this.
What is this? Oh, wait. Heck off rock. Heck off other rock. OMG, I cannot get the thing that you just dropped.
Here, I'm moving it.
Okay. Ah, lovely. Okay, I am good for a while.
Okay. You know, since I don't want this to just grow right here, we're just gonna...
Death and destruction it.
Sort of. Like, this is 100% not going to be our camp. That is reserved for a very good location up by the village. But I would like to go ahead and get this as a secure area for us.
I'm noticing there seems to be 3 coconut bowls.
I
How did
mean,
we get...
there was one that spawned with us, and then there
Oh,
was
so we
the
got
one
one.
coconut that I broke in half and one that I turned into a bead on.
Okay, I was thinking, like, how did we get an odd number?
Yeah, one spawned with us.
Oh, okay. No.
Chris,
Wait,
can I get one of
apparently
those
that still
plantain
has-
leaves?
Yeah,
Thank you.
it is going to be right behind you. What does it look like? The
It's the big ones. It says
big one's
lily
right behind you.
lily plantain. There we go.
Alright, I picked up all the caiman meat because it looks like one of them had actually burned a little bit.
Okay.
Wait,
I'm
they can
gonna...
burn now?
Yeah,
Yeah, meat
it can always burn.
Oh.
Just if
I
you
not
let
know
it
that.
sit on a cooking surface too long.
I'm gonna actually
if
put
y'all-
this with the water, and I'm gonna go check out that cave. See what that
So yeah,
dude
if y'all
needs.
need meat, then I have a bunch on me.
If anyone wants to come with me, I'm doing story stuff.
I need
have a
water
space.
still.
Washi, let's see if we can find you a heart of the palm.
Does it have
Actually,
water?
come here.
Yes. What?
I have a couple of those.
Oh, those do give hydration.
8 each.
Yeah,
so
they give a little
you'll-
bit. Okay. I'm a little bit over half now.
Alright, let's go.
Adventure.
Eat these, they also give hydration.
Aaron, you coming?
I am ordering pizza.
It happens to the best of us.
We're in the Amazon.
I am
mean-
ordering pizza.
Okay,
mean,
that delivery
yeah,
fee is
it's-
gonna be intense, but
Yeah,
alright.
30 minutes or less. They guarantee it.
He's in the Amazon. Amazon can ship it. It's like right next door. Duh.
See, Washi gets it.
I mean, I'm the kind of person that does same day shipping at 11:59 p.m.
You boy.
What does he need?
He needs a bandage.
I have tobacco leaves.
I tried to give him a tobacco one. Alright, what else do you need? A lily dressing. Leaf bandage, no? Lily bandage. Not a lily. He doesn't need a lily, so then does he need like an ash dressing?
Oh
What?
no.
Oh, y'all found a dude
Yeah.
being a little pansy, saying he hurt himself.
He hurt himself, but I don't know what he needs. I know he needs water. I
He
gave
needs
him
to get
some.
a job.
Chris, you stay with him so he doesn't despawn on us.
And Theron, I'm just sort of hanging around. Tell me when you're ready.
I am back now.
Okay, I'm coming in.
I'm tragically sad because it's going to be an hour.
Fuck yes, coconut.
It'd be like that on the weekends.
Hell yes. 1 second, I found more coconut.
So, Mr. Tribe member, how you doing? You come here
Hey.
often?
Hello. Ooh, hello. Another big rock. Add it to the collection.
Washi, where did you go?
Me?
Yeah.
Across the water and destroyed a coconut by throwing a rock at it because it got stuck in a tree, interestingly enough. I'm heading back to the camp, though.
Okay. Can we let this fire die out?
Yeah.
You want to make a better one?
No, I don't know
Oh,
what the
wait.
guy needs. He might need a
Slaughter.
ash fire. Or like an ash bandage. Because the lily bandage and the other ones are not doing anything.
But it said he needed some sort of bandage.
Yeah.
Maybe honey. Then y'all fancy.
It could be honey, but there's no honey spawned anywhere near us.
He doesn't care. Apparently, this is friggin' Queen of England. Must have his fanciest of dressings.
Ooh, crap.
Maybe I need to give him more water before he can take a look at his bandage.
Bring the coconuts out here, Washi.
Say what?
Bring the coconuts out here.
Oh, I have
Gives free water.
beat-ons that I can boil it now.
Oh, nice.
Alright. I'm coming back.
Oh, wait. Avani, I have charcoal.
Okay, sweet.
I'll
Here.
harvest one of them.
Yes, thank you. Dude needs a little bit more water.
He's almost there.
Yeah.
I will go
He's,
ahead and make
like-
the bandage.
Horrible at conversation as well, by the way.
Yeah. Yeah, that's fair.
All he's complaining about is being thirsty.
All right,
Like,
Ivani,
come on,
here
dude.
you go.
Thank you.
There's
Oh, I have
iron
a
in the
stingray
wall.
sting.
You have
You
a
got-
I don't
stingray
think you can really
sting?
do anything with it, actually.
I think the stinger also counts as a needle.
Okay, I think, yeah, it counts as a needle. Should have let you make, like, a super fucking spear or something. Or arrow. Something cool.
Hey, we can make
Bone
bone
armor.
armor. I like how, in the context of just me being here in this cave, while sitting here next to this dude staring at him, I learned how to make bone armor.
Hey, there you go. Yeah, it was ash dressing that he needed.
Oh, that's because I made a piece.
Dude still needs water. What the fuck? My guy.
He thirsty.
For real.
Maybe he wants us to take our pants off. That'll fix his thirst.
Don't be gross, please.
Rocks.
We need to get the we need to get the mixer going so we can use the pottery bench to make us better bidons.
Oh, there's better beat-ons?
Can we, or do we have to learn that first?
I think we can go ahead and make the pottery wheel. Like I think
Okay.
I think that is available once we get the mud mixer.
Okay.
You want to just make it right here?
I would say make it next to the river, but yes.
The clay pots,
Yes,
though, those
yeah.
I thought we had to wait on.
No, they need
Really?
they are supposed to be baked against the fire, and they use the mud molds.
Oh, okay.
What the fuck?
Is
What?
he done being a whiner?
He's done being a whiner.
Oh,
I'm not
he
seeing
just
the mud mixer
magically
in here.
disappeared.
You have to pick up mud in order for it to show up.
Oh.
Hi, Rosie. Hi, Riley.
Please. Poke the puppies.
I did poke the puppies.
Good. Poke them more. Oh god, I want to poke a puppy.
Oh, actually, the offer to
It's been
kidnap
so
you.
long.
The offer to kidnap you is available.
Yeah, I want really, really badly to take you up on that point.
I'm just saying.
Yeah.
This will become a no. Nope, that will not become a log. That'll become pain.
Wait, what?
I was about to start chopping at a tree, and then I realized it was a spiky tree.
I can put. Actually, no. I think I have to have full 4-piece armor because hitting it with an axe will hurt my leg.
What?
Yeah, it's full armor.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to accidentally hit this tree with an axe, or it might hurt my leg.
We do need, I think,
God.
bamboo though.
That's not really around these parts.
I'm
Eh,
boiling
I
some
know
of
where
the
to get
dingling
some.
mushrooms.
I know where to get some.
Simba.
I'm going to get running away.
All right,
I
then
didn't save.
I think we should then go ahead and just call it a day then.
Okay, okay.
You sure?
Yeah.
I'm okay with whatever.
Well, I mean, Washi, you and I have played this. Chris and Theron haven't, so I don't want to play it without them, really.
Yeah, it's fine.
Alright, saving's the game.
I'll do it again
So,
just to be
okay, yeah, save on a roof.
Mm-hmm.
I am exiting,
I did the same.
Awesome.
and it should be out.
Yep, everybody's out. Save and quit.
Ooh.
Okay. So, same time next week?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Possibly. I don't remember if I have Friday off.
I'm hoping that I continue to have Friday evenings off. Because